Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on finding your hidden chats on Viber. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up Viber, then from the homepage tap on the search icon in the top right corner. Now you need to type the pin for your hidden chats into the search bar. Your hidden chats will then appear. Tap on one to open it. My phone won't let me record it as it's hidden. When you close the chat, your hidden chats will disappear again. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Viber tips and tricks.